Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your eyes at home. First, always wash your hands thoroughly before touching your eyes to prevent infection. Next, consider using a warm compress for 5 to 10 minutes. It can be incredibly soothing and help with dryness. Finally, make sure your workspace has good lighting to minimize strain, especially when reading or working on a computer. These simple steps form the foundation of good eye hygiene. Digital eye strain is common, but easily preventable. Remember the 20-20-20 rule: every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple practice helps your eyes refocus and relax. Also, adjust your screen's brightness to match your surroundings and ensure your monitor is positioned about 20 to 24 inches from your face. These adjustments make a big difference. Maintaining overall health significantly impacts your eyes. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your eyes moist and prevent dryness. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins A, C, and E into your diet, like leafy greens and fish, for optimal eye nutrition. Also, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. It allows your eyes to rest and repair. Protecting your eyes from external factors is crucial. Always wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays when outdoors, even on cloudy days. Try to avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can introduce germs and cause irritation or even damage. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Remember, consistent care helps maintain healthy vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.